लीडर राहुल गांधीक जो समन्स दिल्लो ईडीन आणि ज्या हिशोबान हे सरकार ज्या पद्दतीन अनडेमोक्रेटीक वे जे चल्लां, आय थिंक इट इज बॅड फॉर द कंट्री. आज दनपारां अबाउट 12:15 सुमार पुलीस मार्च इंटू अवर AICC हेडक्वॉर्टर्स इन दिल्ली. म्हळ्यार इतले अनडेमोक्रेटीक जाला की पुलीस अक्षरशा आमचे AICC ऑफिसां भितर घुसले, थंय आमचे ऑफिस बेररांक तांणी मारले आनी अक्षरशा तांकां उबारून घेवन गेले भितरल्यान लाठीचार्ज करून ऑफिसा भितरल्यान. तशेंच आमचे बाकीचे लिडर्स लायक दिपेंदर हुडा, ताका हावज अरेस्ट केला. ही इज नॉट अलाउड टू मूव आउट ऑफ हीज हावज. सम टायम बॅक आमचो दुसरो लिडर सचिन पायलट, ताका डिटेन केला. काल आमचे सगळे सिनियर लिडर्स तांकां डिटेन केला. इवन सम ऑफ आवर फिमेल लिडर्स, इनफॅक्ट मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट ऑल्सो हॅव बीन undemocratically manhandled. So the way things are moving in our country is not good. The way आज दिल्लीन समज जर तूं आज स्वताच्या ऑफिसान सुद्दां वतलो जाल्यार तुका आज ऑफिसान वचपाक मेळना. तुका ऑफिसा भितर लाठीचार्ज करतात. म्हणजे हें कितें चल्लां ह्या देशान? म्हाका दिसता हाजेर प्रायम मिनिस्टर आनी होम मिनिस्टरान हाजेर उत्तर दिवपाक जाय, ज्या हिशोबान अनडेमोक्रेटीक वे चल्ला. आनी सगळो जर तुमी बारीक अजून ह्या केसीन जर पळयत, नॅशनल हेराल्ड, ह्या केसीक कांय दमूच ना. येदो दनपारां हांव पळयतालो, सुधांशू त्रिवेदीन एक प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन तो सांगतालो इन दॅट प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स की जे हे एसेट्स आसात ऑफ एसोसिएट जनरल लिमिटेड, जी कंपनी आशिल्ली, ज्या कंपनीक 90 कोटी रुपयाचो लोन दिल्लो, तो म्हणटा की हे इन डिफरंट मॅनर एसेट्स सगळे गांधी परिवाराच्या नांवार ट्रान्सफर केले. सो आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क हिम, we have got 2014 and 2019 election affidavit of both Rahul Gandhi and Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji. So if those assets have been transferred in their name, why they are not reflecting in election affidavit? So this false allegation of BJP, what they are trying to portray in the country, I think it is very bad for the democracy of our country. And the way, in the manner which is being done is absolutely wrong. We condemn such act by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and I think they should stop this immediately and focus on the burning issues of our country rather than politicizing a issue actually where it doesn't have any substance. Issue nastana issue create kela. That newspaper was actually, I mean, in 1937 this newspaper was formed by all the freedom fighters that time, की लोकांचो जो आवाज आसा तो पूर्ण देशभर वचचो इंडिपेंडन्सा लागून. ह्या दृश्टिकोनान तो पेपर काडिल्लो. आनी ते लोन जे दिले तातूंतले मॅक्झिमम 67 crore rupees was given to pay all the salaries and VRS of the staff. तुमच्या भितरले भाव आसतले, भयणी आसतल्यो, who are working for that newspaper. So तांची सॅलरी दिवप, तांचे VRS स्किमीचे अंडर पयशे दिवप गुन्नो इज अ क्रायम इन अ कंट्री. In fact, I think Election Commission also had given a clean sheet that there is no illegality which has happened. And under Section 25, Young India is a non-profit organization. It's a non-profit company. So the way the question comes that these assets have been transferred to Gandhi family, that is what I'm not able to understand. I think BJP should come clear, because in election affidavit it is not mentioned. If they are claiming that assets जे आसा ते transfer केले in the name of Gandhi family, then why are they not reflecting in the election affidavit? I think this is just an issue out of nothing. They're trying to create just to politicize it, and we condemn such incidents. And I think this undemocratic way, the way they are being detaining our leaders, they are being manhandled, they are being lathi charged, I think this should stop on immediate basis. And tomorrow at 11 AM all across the country, Congress party is going to hold a protest in front of Raj Bhavan. See, this paper was formed under a company called as Associated Generals Limited. जेन्ना इंडिपेंडन्स मेळ्ळें तेन्ना तो पेपर आनी जे प्रेसवाले त्या पेपराक काम करताले दे वर वर्किंग अंडर दॅट कंपनी बट ओवर अ पिरियड ऑफ टायम दॅट पेपर वेंट इन टू लॉस सो वेन इट वेंट इन टू लॉस काँग्रेस पार्टी गेव अ लोन ऑफ 90 crores टू दॅट कंपनी नाव being a political party equity cannot be given that is the reason that no profit company was formed called as Young India and those equity was given to Young India. समज जर तर आज जे बीजेपी क्लेम करता की ती संपत्ती ताजे एसेट्स ताजे प्रॉफिट असते गांधी परिवाराक वच जाल्यार तांणी प्रूव करचे अरे 2 इलेक्शनां जाली देन वाय दे हॅव नॉट डिस्क्वॉलिफायड हिम
Not profit.
if those assets are transferred in Gandhi's name let them show it in affidavit no in election this affidavit has been filed before the Election Commission of India so if those assets are transferred on their name why it is not reflecting
Not for
so this is just another jumla politics vendetta politics की लोकांचे जे बर्निंग इशू आसा ते डायवर्ट करपाक दिस इज जस्ट अ पॉलिटिकल स्टंट बट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज टुडे आय थिंक the way they are attacking, the way they are detaining, the way they are manhandling, I think it is an attack on democracy. We condemn such. It is there with the company, no? It is there with that non-profit under Section 25. That company has been formed. It is with that company. Obviously, no. जे मेन आज बर्निंग इश्यूज आसा कंट्रीचे ते खंय तरी लिपोवपाक ते खंय तरी दामपाक आय थिंक दीस इशू इज बींग हायलायटेड एंड ब्रॉट अहेड बट द वे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट द वे दे आर हँडलिंग द सिच्युएशन इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर द डेमोक्रेसी